Hello, I got an early start today. So quiet and peaceful, loved it. So I'm gonna get a quick breakfast and keep going on a trail. I made it to Green River. It's 12 o'clock, so it's lunchtime. Coincidence? I think not. I was scared for a little bit here with the Jeep. The steering was acting funny, so I looked over everything. I couldn't find anything suspicious, and then I realized that I left the transmission in 4 high, so I was in 4-wheel drive. So on concrete it's not good, so good to go. I made it to Emery. That's the end of the section 35. Pretty tired. The little town is dead. I'm lucky the gas pump can use a credit card, so I was able to refill. I was in the red. So now I'm gonna try to find a spot to sleep for the night, and that's it.